Hello students, good morning to all. So today we'll start the exercise self practice 2G, that is the decimal. So here write down as a decimal. First question 1A. 1A first question. Write down as decimal 7 tenths. So how we write 7 tenths as decimal? Tenth means at one decimal place. So 7 tenth can be written as 0.7. 0.7. So now in the decimal place value, see, suppose a number is written 210.314. So that is the ones place, that is tens place, that is hundredth place. But the digit after the point, after the decimal, the first place is called the tenth place. So that is the th, tenth place. So how we write tenth? 1 by 10. Second place is called hundredth, 1 by 100. This is the place value for the digit after the decimal. Place value for the digit after the decimal. And the place value of this is thousand, 1 by 1000. Okay, like this. So 7 tenth means 0.7. See here, this is 3. This is 3 tenth means 0.3. This is 31 hundredth means 0.31. So 1 is at the place of hundredth, that is 0.01. Okay, like this we have to write. Third question 6,000. 6,000. So 6,000. So how we write thousand place? See, what tenth, hundredth, thousand. That is 0.006. 0.006 like this. Okay, 0.006. Now we move to the next question. B. First B, second question. Now B, second question. This also we have to write as a decimal. 3 by 10 plus 5 by 100 plus 8 by 1000. So how we can write as a decimal? This number 0.358, 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place. 0.358. Like this we have to write. Okay. So see, this is the 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place. So 0.358. Now we write 6. B6, 2 plus 5 by 100. 2 plus 5 by 100. So how you write this? 2.100th place, 05. 2.05. Like this we write. Okay. Now I move to the question number 2. Write in expanded form. Now see the question number 2. 2b 0.007, and this we have to write in expanded form. Okay. So see how we write this in expanded form. 10th, 100th, 1000. This you can write as 7000. Expanded form you can write what? 7000. 7,000 because 10th place is 0, 100th place is also 0. So how you write this in exponential form? 7,000. Okay. Similarly, D 8.075. 8.075. So how we write? 8 plus, this is at the 10th place is 0, so no need to write. 7 by 100, 100th place plus 5 by 1000. Like this we can write. Now we move to the next question. Question number 3. 3b. Now see in the 3b, state the value of 7 in 69.71 to 69.71. So we have to find the value of 7. What is the value of 7? Place value. Okay. So the value of place value of 7, this digit. The place value of this is 710. That is 0.7. 7 by 10. So the place value of 7 in 69.71 is 7/10, that is 0.7. Okay. Seven by 10, correct? Now we move to the next question. Question number 4. In question number 4b, express as a fraction in the simplest form. .075. This we have to express in the fraction. Express as fraction in the simplest form. So see how we write in the fraction form. 2075 divided by which place? How many decimal places are there? 1, 2, 3. So 1000. Now divide by 5. 5 2s are 10, that is 200. 5 4s are 20. 5 1s are 5. 5 5s are 25. So answer is 415 by 200. Again divide by 5. 5 4s are 20. 40. 5 8s are 40. 5 3s are 15. So what you got? 83 by 40. So 42s are 2. 3 by 40. Like this in the simplest fraction form we can write. Will be yes 2 3 by 40, correct? Okay? Like this we have to do. Now question number 5. We have to insert less than, greater than or smaller than symbol. 5b you see. 1.402, 1.402, 1.4. In this we have to do the comparison. This is 1.40 and this is 1.40. Now in 3 decimal, this number is 3 decimal place, this number is 2 decimal place. So comparison cannot be done in different decimal places. So we have to make this decimal also into convert this decimal into 3 decimal place. So 1.400. Now 1.402 is greater than 1.400, like this. First make the decimal places same, then do the comparison. Now D 0.407 0.407 0.0801. Here 4 and here is 3, so add one more 0. Now here is also 4. Now compare, do the comparison. This is very easy. This number is 4070. This is 0801. So this is greater than. So this is greater than. Now we move to the question number 6. Arrange in descending order. So descending order means greatest to smallest. So the greatest number you write at the first. So the question is given 0.02, 2.02, 0.20, 0.002, 2.002. Okay. Now see, this is 2.02 and this is 2.002. 2.02 means 2.02. This is 2.002. So that is the greater, that is the smallest. So that you write the first, because this you can write as 2.020. That is 20. This is 20. This is 2. Now do the comparison. So this is greater first. So 2.02. After that, what you write? 2.002. This you can write. And after that, see, do the comparison. 0.002 in 3 decimal place. This is 2, this is 200, and this is 2. So this is the smallest one. And after that, the greatest one is this is 2 and this is 200. So you write this number 0.20. Because if you write in 3 decimal place, it will become 200 now. And after that 0.02, that is the 20, and at the last 0.002. This is in the descending order. Okay, like this we have to do. So this number is, if you write in 3 decimal place, this will become 20, 0.020. This will become 200, 0.200, and this is 2, only 0.002. So 200 is more. So first you write 200, 20, then 2. Similarly, arrange in ascending order. Question number 7. Question number 7. 6A we have done. Now 6, 7B. 5.2, 5.02, 5.002, 5.19, 5.119, 5.219. Ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to greatest. So smallest one you write at first. So 5.2, 5.02, 5.002. So in 3 decimal place, it is the smallest. And this is 5.19, 5.119, 5.219. So which is the smallest? 5.002. So 5.002 is the smallest one. Okay. After 2, what is the next smallest will be? This is 2, this is 20. This is 20 and this is 19. This is 19. So that will be the smallest. 5.19. Not a 90. This is written as 190. No? 190. In 3 decimal place, what you write? That will become 190. So 20. This will become 20. No? So that you write 20. 5.02. This will become 200. And this is 190. This is 119. So first you write 119. 5.119, and after that 5.19, 190, and after 190 then you write the 200, 5.2, and after this 5.2, this largest is the 5.219, 290, 5.219. Okay, like this we have to write in the ascending order. That we can do the comparison also. 7th B, is it correct? Yes, 2G, 7th B. Yes, 5.002, 5.02, correct. 5.119, 5.19, 5.2, 5.219, correct. Okay, so now we move to the next question. Convert into decimals. Question number 8. 8b, 1 by 8 is given, fraction is given, and that fraction we have to convert into the decimal. Convert into decimal. So how we convert this fraction into decimal? Okay, so we can do the division, or we can multiply by certain number which make it in the as the multiple of 10. So we can multiply in it by 125. Multiply the numerator also 125. It will become 125, and 8 into 125 gives you 1000. So it will become 0.125. 0.125. Like this you can do it. So multiply with such number which make it a multiple of 10. Similarly, D, 18 by 25. So see, what you multiply in 25 to get multiple of 10? 4. 25 4 is 100. So multiply 4 with the denominator and numerator both. So 18 4 is 72, and 25 4 is 100. Now 0.72. Okay, now I move to the question number 9. This is the sum. We have to find it. 9th B. See how we do it. 72.9. This we write in vertically. The given question we write vertically. (72.9), 2.3788, 2.3788, 35.47, 7806.3, 7806.3, 6.3, 0.379. Now add it, then you will get the answer. So here you find 0, 0, 0. Remaining decimal places we fill it by 0. Okay. Now see 8, 8, 9, 8, 17, 7. Carry 1. 8, 7, 15, 15, 7, 22, 2. Carry 2. 9 to 11, 11, 3, 14. 14, 4, 18. 18, 6, 24. 24, 4, carry 2. 2 to 4, 6, 5, 11, 11, 6, 17, 7. Carry 1. 8, 3, 11, 1. Carry 1. 9. Answer is 7917.4278. Like this we have to do. Okay. Similarly, you can do the subtraction also. So let me do one subtraction question, 10th A. 890.89 890.89 minus 8.9 minus 8.9. So add one zero, make it two decimal place. So 9 minus 0 gives 9. From 8, 9 cannot be subtracted. Borrow 1, it will become 18. But it cannot give 1, so it will ask from this 9. So it will become 18, it will become 9. And it will become 8. Okay. So from 18, subtract 9. 9 minus 8 gives you 1. Here it is 8. 881.99. 881.99. So this is all for the today, students. In the next class we will start new exercise, self practice to H. So thank you for your kind attention.